How to change email address on Facebook. In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to change email address on Facebook. First, open the Facebook mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon here located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the menu page of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. OK, let us proceed. Next, tap this option here named Settings and Privacy. As you can see here, the section will expand to reveal more options. From the options that appear, make sure you tap the one named Settings. This is the settings page of your Facebook account. On this page, there are various options and settings that you can use to manage and make changes to your account. After that, make sure you tap this option here named Account Center. Here, there are sections you can use to manage and control the settings of your account. From them, scroll down and come to this section here named Account Settings. Under this section, you will see more options. From those options, make sure you tap the one named Personal Details. This is the personal details page of your account. On this page, there are various sections you can use to access and edit your personal details. From them, the one we need is this one here named Contact Info. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do that, you will see the contact information you have registered with on Facebook. It can either be your phone number or your email address. As you can see here, the email is displayed. Make sure you tap on it. After that, you can choose to delete it and add a new email address just like you can see here. The process is that simple and straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to change email address on Facebook.